Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the rugged world of durability and power of the brand new Ulefone Armor 28 Pro. Well, this brand claims it can handle extreme conditions and while packing some serious performance inside. So in this video we will find out. Let's go. Ulefone Armor 28 Pro Edition. The first impression while holding it in hand are quite impressive. However, it's also a pretty heavier phone, just like most rugged phones. It weighs around 450 grams and has a thickness of 19.4 millimeters, which is quite junky. The phone features a metal frame around the sides and is built to be drop resistant, compliant with MIL SD 810H standards. Essentially, the body design is a clone of the Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition. It can survive drops from up to 2 meters and is rated IP68 and IP69K, meaning it's dust, tight and water resistance as long as the gasket 3.4 headphone jack are properly sealed. There's single loudspeaker located at the bottom. No stereo speakers here, even though there's an earpiece at the top. It does not double as a secondary speaker. The phone also includes an IR blaster. There is a micro SD card support accessible from the side SIM tray. The tray supports 2 nano SIMs and micro SD card on the other side. There's a customizable quick launch button which can be set to open specific apps or functions and a pogo pin connector for compatible accessories. On the right side there are volume rockers, a fingerprint reader integrated with the power button and a dedicated camera button which also works underwater, adding to its rugged functionality. As I mentioned earlier, it's heavier than most regular phones, but that's expected for a rugged device. However, the weight is justified by the massive 10,600 mAh battery packed inside. With a battery this large, you can easily expect up to 2 days of usage on a single charge. The 120 watt fast charger included in the box is a great bonus. It can charge the phone up to 40% in just 10 minutes. It also supports reverse charging, allowing you to power up your earbuds, smartwatches, phones, tablets and other devices wirelessly or via cable. Additionally, it supports 50 watt wireless charging, which is quite rare even among flagship smartphones. If you need the smart connectors for external modules or other accessories, then you need to purchase separately. The main display is a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel and an impressive peak brightness of 2200 nits. Compared to other rugged phones, I generally appreciate the quality of the AMOLED display used in this Armor 28 Pro. It's vibrant, sharp and very bright even outdoors. Plus, it supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything feel smooth and responsive. This edition is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, delivering smooth and responsive performance. On AnTuTu, it scores around 750, which is solid for a rugged smartphone. It offers up to 1 TB of internal storage with supports of 2 TB of micro SD expansion and uses UFS 3.4 for fast read speeds. To keep things cool under the pressure, it features a massive 15304 mm2 graphene cooling system. You also get dual 5G connectivity and lightning fast Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring smooth streaming, gaming, and download without compromise. The front camera is a 50 megapixel ultra clear sensor, ideal for selfies and video calls. In the middle of the camera ring, there is a small 1.04-inch display that supports customizable watch faces, a unique and stylish touch for a rugged phone. This display is a AMOLED, 60Hz refresh rate and 600 nits peak brightness, and about the resolution is 340 by 340. And there are different applications you can use in this small screen, that is calendars, you can play some music, even you can see yourself while recording a video from the back camera, reading messages and other tasks you can do in this small screen. On the back, it features a Sony IMX989 1-inch sensor, which is 50 megapixel main sensor, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera lens, and the third is 64 megapixel ultra night vision camera, supported by 4 IR LEDs and a flashlight for low light and night photography. Now you will know all about the Ulefone Armor 28 Pro. Let's talk about pricing. It's available for around $400. So you can check out the purchase link in the description below. Alright guys, enjoy the photos and video samples I took using the Armor 28 Pro, and as always I will see you in the next video. Bye. Now I'm recording this video from the front camera of Ulefone Armor 28 Pro. The front camera, they are offering us 50 megapixel and the video is recording right now. I'm walking slowly so you can see the result. Now I'm running. Yeah, the front camera looks pretty good, better than others rugged smartphones. I wanted to share you the real-time experience of the camera quality. So right now I'm recording this video from the Ulefone Armor 28 Pro from the back camera, which I'm using 4K. It does not offer us the FPS option too big, but this is 4K video recording right now. And I'm about 1 to 3 feet far away from the phone, and the audio quality is coming directly from the smartphone. So this is the result from the back camera, which it is offering us 50 megapixel main camera, and others cameras lenses are also 50 megapixel. So you can see behind me the background, see the color combination, it's pretty good. This is 1x. Let me show you the zooming speed. This is the speed. This is 1x. This is 1.8x. This is 2.5x, and this is 4x. Well, you have to zoom in by just using your fingers to drag. This is 4K. You can zoom in till 4K. That's it.